To pay with a Visa gift card on PandaBuy, start by logging into your PandaBuy account and selecting the items you want to purchase. Once you have added all the items to your cart, proceed to the checkout page. On the checkout page, you will see various payment options, including credit cards and gift cards. Select the credit card option, as Visa gift cards are treated the same way as regular credit cards. Enter the 16-digit Visa gift card number, the expiration date, and the security code. The security code is usually a 3-digit number found on the back of the card. After entering the required information, select your billing address. If the address associated with your Visa gift card is different from your current address, make sure to use the address registered with the gift card. Next, review your order and payment details to ensure everything is correct. If all the information is accurate, confirm your payment. PandaBuy may require you to verify your identity or the gift card details, so be prepared to provide additional information if needed. It is essential to note that some Visa gift cards may have restrictions or balance limits, so make sure to check your card balance before making a purchase. Additionally, if your order exceeds the gift card balance, you may need to use an alternative payment method to cover the remaining amount. To avoid any issues during the payment process, ensure that your Visa gift card is activated and has sufficient funds. It is also a good idea to keep your gift card information and PandaBuy account details up to date to prevent any verification issues. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully pay with a Visa gift card on PandaBuy and enjoy a seamless shopping experience. Remember to always keep your gift card and account information secure to prevent unauthorized transactions.